Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at gold on a bunch of time frames here. We'll check in on the miners. So after 3 days of consolidation after a bullish break of previous consolidation, we have now formed a bullish reversal candlestick, and this is it here on the second candlestick. The next day's candlestick tomorrow is already forming, but it's a long lower wick bullish reversal hammer, and we need confirmation tomorrow showing upside, and then we're going to be looking back at the high we hit of this last bounce up at 1350.50. So today I was watching gold on the 15-minute time frame and seeing a clear lower high pattern, so I drew a downtrend resistance line and then a clear support line where the price seemed to be bouncing off of. And this support line was actually previously a resistance line, so I drew this downtrend resistance line on the hourly, this tightening falling wedge pattern, and we did make a bullish break from it. And then you can see on the pullback, look at us bounce off of this previous resistance line now acting as support. We held it another 5 times, so rejecting from it, then we get above it, and now we're bouncing off of it, although we're still trending to the downside. So I left that line there on the 15-minute chart, and then we had all the action this afternoon with the Fed speaking. So we had a big bullish breakout candlestick, it looked like, rejected from the downtrend resistance line. That said, not yet. Then if you look in on the 5-minute chart and get a better picture of things, so here's that downtrend resistance line. We rejected from it. We pulled back. The low of the day at this point is 1325.15. On that pullback, we bounce off 1324.15, form a double bottom to the penny. Bullish reversal doji confirmed. That right there with your double bottom and a bullish reversal doji confirmed is a bottom fishing entry, and you could exit if a new low of the day is hit and you're out of the trade. But the bulls showed up in a big way, breaking out of that downtrend resistance line, and the bull miners responded very well because the market was strong as well. So now here after hours, we've hit a higher high, pulling back a little bit and consolidating, but we're looking for gold to now continue to form higher lows and higher highs. I'm watching this downtrend resistance line on the hourly. That's going to be in the low 1340s by the time we get up there, if the bulls do continue this move to the upside. So current resistance is 1334.05, and then I'm looking up at 1339.85. And looking at the 4-hour chart, we want to see a bullish MACD cross for those bulls, and we're closing in on it. Bullish reversal candlestick confirmed for the first time on this big pullback, and looking to turn things around in the short term. So the miners responded very well due to the market bouncing and gold seeing a little bounce. Look at the volume for JNUG. Friday bear volume 22 million, bull volume today 25 million. Big recovery. I'm expecting an equilibrium to form on the daily chart where we have our low, our high on the bounce, higher low. I am expecting a lower high and then a tightening range before a very clear break at some point next week. So NUGT yet again standing out as weak. JNUG closed above the 10-day moving average and 100-day moving average resistances, and you can see NUGT is nowhere near doing either of those things. So still weaker. If you're playing the minor bulls, you're playing JNUG. If you're playing the minor bears, you're playing dust. So the bulls are in control, in my opinion. I think this gold bounce is going to have another day for it to play out at the least. And I am going to be bullish on gold longer term, looking for this move to translate into a break of 1360 eventually and to continue to the upside. But that's a ways away. Need it one step at a time, and we need to break this downtrend resistance line, which will be in the 1340s. So miners seeing a very nice day, a pretty strong close, and looking for some continuation there as well, especially if gold heads back up towards 1340. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in as always. Have a wonderful night.